YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and in today's video is all about the Bretman Rock X Wet and Wild collab. I went and got my hands on the palette, and I'm gonna if you want to see my thoughts and reviews and the look that I'm going to create today with this palette, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video because I got the Jungle Rock palette by Bretman Rock X Wet and Wild, which I really like. Bretman Rock. I always watch his channel. I like his personality and his spunk. I love Bretman, okay? And when I seen this palette, I was just like, oh my god, I gotta get my hands on it because it is so pretty. So let me open her up so you can see the pretty little shades. And as you see, it says Jungle Rock. But yes, these are the pretty shades. Oh my god, so pretty. I love it. So I had to get my hands on it and pick it up. So I got mine from Ulta. I ordered it online, and I got me and my daughter a palette. And when they came, mine was broken. So I had to go to Ulta, and they only had one left for me to exchange it. So I was super pleased with that. So that way, you know, I can have the palette because it was broken. The purple shade was broken and, you know, all over the place. But yeah, there I took the little film off so it won't be shining. But yes, these are all the beautiful shades and colors. Perfect for the springtime, summer. It's so Bretman, so Hawaii, so sunsetty. I love this palette. The way it looks is just so pretty. And I had to have it in my collection. So today we are going to play with this palette. I'm going to do a really colorful look because there's some real colorful colors in here. You can do like, you know, an everyday glam look and so forth like that. But I want to step out of my comfort zone and do something a little different. So we are going to get started. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in so we can see a little better. And I'm going to start by priming my eyes. And I'm going to be using the Super Stay Better Skin Concealer and Corrector by Maybelline, and this is in shade medium deep M400. So I'm just going to do this so I can have something for my eyeshadows to stick, and I'm going to put a lot more than I normally do because I'm going to be using a lot of vibrant colors. I'm not going to do like a cut crease or anything because, you know, yeah, I'm not doing all that, but I do want to do like a thicker. Usually I just do like a dab of concealer and that's it. But this time I'm going to really put some on there, okay? We're going to make it nice and thick. So I'm going to take my InStylish sponge and just kind of pat that in. Not like a lot, but just, you know, make sure that it's not going anywhere. And I did put a lot, so just kind of get some excess off. And I gotta get in that corner really good. And I'm always making this weird face with my mouth. I notice when I'm like using my beauty blender. I don't even know why I do that, but hey. But yeah, so now that we got the eyes all pretty much primed, we are gonna dip into this beautiful palette. And I'm gonna start with the shade Feline Myself. I love the little nameplates on the palettes. So pretty. And I'm taking my Jeffree Star JS5 brush. And we're going to put this in our crease. Ooh, that is nice. It is pigmented, but it's not as pigmented as you know, when it's a purple, you think it's going to be real dark, but you can build this. So I like that because sometimes we don't want our purple to be that dark. So I do like this. We're just going to blend that out. Get in that corner. Oh, and I love these Jeffree Star brushes. They blend so effortlessly, like literally no effort. So if you're not even a pro at makeup, you just kind of know where the brushes go, kind of what they look like and what they're for. Because this is a blending brush, as you can see, because it's just blending it really nicely. All you have to do is just go grab these brushes and put them in the spot that you need it, and it's gonna do its job, boo. Because it's doing its job for me right now. I don't have to spend no hours blending or anything, but it's definitely blending. No harsh lines. All right, so now that we got that going, I'm gonna go into this shade, this green shade called Venomous right here. And I'm going to use my, what is this? My Jeffree Star 6 brush, which is like another blending brush, but more precise. And I'm just going to get that in that green, and yeah, we're going to pop that green in that outer corner. I feel like I'm getting, what is it, Batman vibes or Joker vibes? Yeah, Joker. Because the Joker is purple, purple and green. And I feel like I'm getting Joker vibes right now, like for real. So we're going to put some more on this side. And these colors go together so effortlessly, but I'm definitely gonna, I just want to go outside my comfort zone. We're going to do more color and just try it out, okay? We're going to go all out the box today, honey. We are going to do something we have not done before. That is okay. And add that green. Make sure she on that outside looking cute. And fix this side over here. Just gonna drag it in. It's gonna turn that purple more like a dark blue on the outer corner, but that's okay. There we go. So we got that going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this brush off because I'm going to use the same brush for the next shade. We got a lot going on, boo. Alright. So taking that same brush, and then I'm going to go into Flaming Hoe. This bright pink shade right here. This nice hot pink. And I'm going to use the same brush. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Oh, this is coming out really pretty. Maybe I could have cut the crease, but I wasn't really trying to cut the crease today. But this is coming out really pretty. I am loving it so far. Nice little pink. Green, purple, playing with some colors. Let's have some fun, okay? Let's have some fun. Just gonna try to blend that pink in with the green on that eye. Let's get this. Yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it a lot. This is really pretty. Now I'm just going to flip the brush over on the other side and go back into that Venomous, that green shade, and make sure that, you know, it's poppy. We want to make sure they know I got green and pink on the eye, boo. Make sure it's nice and poppy. Just pat that color in instead of like blending it. I'm feeling that, boo. Alright, so I'm going to go back into my JS5 brush and back into that feline myself, that purple shade. And we just want to make sure we're smoking that out. We want to make sure you can see these colors, okay? I want people to know that I played with some colors today. Alright. Dip that in there. And alright, I think that is good to go. I'm going to finish the rest of my face off the camera and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back with the finished look, and yes, I am loving this palette. It was really cute and fun to play with. I really do like this look that I created. Like, might do this look again. But yeah, this is very fun, versatile. It has so many different shades in there. I can't wait to play with this some more. Do some sunset looks and play with these yellows and so forth. I think it's really cool. And then the blues that's in here. So I think the palette is really, really nice. As far as the formula goes, I am not like an expert with formulas. I do see that, you know, the color did pay off. I'm African American, I'm dark skinned, and you know, these colors paid off really, really nicely. I think it looks really good. They blended together fine. As far as the purple shade goes, I thought the pigmentation was going to be a little darker, but it's nothing wrong with it because the color did pay off and you can actually build it, which it's always better to build a darker color versus starting out with a really pigmented dark, because then you have to go light-handed. So I like, you know, I did like that. I will check out this Alpha, which is a black with some gold sparkles in there. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but I will try that out next and see how pigmented that is and how it will do. But yeah, as of right now, I am liking this palette. I'm very pleased. I'm pleased with the packaging. I'm pleased with the color story, and I'm pleased with the color payoff. And yeah, I really do like this look. Let me know down in the comment area if you like this look today, and if you want to see any other looks created with this palette specifically. If you are able to, I'm not sure if they're going to be restocking more or what, and I know Wet n Wild is sold pretty much a lot of different places, so if you're able to get your hands on this, I think that it would be great to get your hands on this because it's only $14, which is not bad for 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 shades. So that's not bad at all, and they're really, really nice. And you know, it's supporting a fellow YouTuber, which I'm going to support Bretman Rock. I'm definitely going to support you know, fellow YouTubers and influencers and so forth, and I was really pleased with this palette. So my thoughts and opinions is that you should pick this palette up for yourself if you do not already have a color scheme like this. And the packaging, come on now, that is just so cute to just, when you're going in there to look for something, hello, vacation palette. But yes, but those are my thoughts and views on the palette. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.